Now, question 7, okay, this is the same as what you have done in question 5 and 6, okay, but the difference is that, for this question, they ask you to find the total credit sales and total credit purchase. So what you need to do, so just like normal, you write, D and C over here and key in all the entries over here, and then after that, you work it backwards, okay, you get it, you get the total balance, okay, so you use the bigger side, okay, and minus the smaller side, and then you find the sales how much, okay. You work it backwards, okay, work backwards to find how much is the sales, okay. And this one, similarly, you key in all the entries over here, and then you work backwards to find how much is the purchases, okay, okay. So you just have to key in all the entries inside, and then work backwards, and then you will be able to find what's this two amount, okay, the missing amount. Now, question at okay, I like to do question add together. Okay, now this one is a type of example where a person Shadihatu is both a supplier and a customer. Okay, so just like we have gone through the special case, okay, when a person is both a customer and a supplier, okay, and later on you will see the involvement of the contra entries. Okay, let's go through together. So Shadihato, both a customer and a supplier to Naku, okay? So that's why she or he appears in both the sales and the purchase ledger. So this is from the books of the Naku and brothers, okay? So sales ledger balance, okay? So we'll write over here, 2009 January 1. Okay, so sales balance BD 2680. And then purchase ledger 1570 2009 purchase 1570. Okay, now next because sales, right, and purchase. Now next because he is both the customer, that's why you put it in the sales ledger, and he is the supplier, you put it in the purchase ledger, okay. And now next you read on the January 5th, you sold goods on credit to Shadihato, 800 and less 10% trade discount, okay. So trade discount, you need to minus off first how much is the trade discount. So one method is you use 800 times 10 over 100. So you get how much is the trade discount, and then you minus off the trade discount. Alternatively, you can use 800 times 0.9, okay, which is 90%, equal to 720, okay. This is the same, okay. So because you're less 10%, so you are actually paying for 90%, so 800 times 0.9, so it's 720. So sales to her, so on the 5th you sell, so on the 5th you sell to her, so the amount is 720. Okay, now this one, question 7, how to interpret this? Receive an invoice of 600 from Shadihato for the goods supplied, meaning to say this is a purchase, okay? Purchase from Shadihato, that's why you receive an invoice from her because you purchased from her and she give you the invoice, okay? So you're going to write over here, you write it yourself, okay? 7. And on the 11th, send a credit note to Shadihato for the goods returned by her. So as you can see over here, returned by her, meaning you sell to her and she returned to you, okay, returned by her. So it's called sales return, or another name is called the return inwards, okay, return to you, you sell to her and she returned into you, okay. Now you take note this one because for this one, you see when you sell the goods to her on the 5, okay, this one, the goods were part of the consignment on the 5th, okay? That's why you have to take out the trade discount again, because on the 5th, when sell to her, you give 10% trade discount, and now she returned the goods, so you have to take away the trade discount as well. So the goods you return 120, right? Okay, so you have to take away the trade discount. So how much? So 120 times the trade discount, which is how much is it? 10%. Okay, you find out the trade discount, and then minus off the trade discount, or if you are more familiar, then so 120 times 0.5. Okay, so 0.9, sorry, because after less the trade discount, so it's 108. Okay, so you will record this in the sales return. Okay, turn this in the sales return. Now this one, I'll just go through the rest to interpret it, and then you'll do it by yourself. Receive a check from Shadi Hatu on 1st January in full settlement of her debt. Because this is not very clear, because after that we still have sales, okay, sales to her. That's why I'll put here settlement of her debt at the start of the year. So this is the debt she need to settle, 2680 at the start of the year, after deducting the cash discount. Okay, so now this one you have to take note. As opposed to trade discount, you just minus off and get the amount. Okay, you put it in. But for this one, you have to write the discount allowed, because this one is sales and the discount is called discount allowed. So this one I'll just do it for you. So 2680 is the amount she owes. So you have to minus off 5%. Okay, so 2680 minus 5%. So how to calculate the 5%? 5 out of hundreds, okay? 5 out of hundreds times 100. So the 5% is equivalent to 2680 minus the discount is 134. So sorry, so I put this let me put it smaller. No, sorry. I'll put this one smaller, okay, so I can write it down. Not enough space for me to write. So 2680 minus 134 equal to 2546. Okay, so how you are going, this is the amount you owe. Okay, you sell to her, and this is the amount she owes. So now she wants to settle her debts, but you give her 5% cash discount. Okay, cash discount relating to sales is called discount allowed. Okay, so 2680 minus 5%, 5 out of 100, so it's 134. Okay, 5% of 2680 is 134. So you minus off is the amount you have to pay, 2546. How are we going to record this? We need to record both of these, and we need to record this, okay, inside the account. So here. So this one is for the sales return. This one 11 is for the sales return. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay. So on the 15th, okay, you receive a check from Shadi Hatu. Okay, so bank, because it's check, so you have to write 2546. Okay, meaning to pay 2546, and then the remaining 134 is the discount. Okay, this is called is it discount receipt or discount allowed? Yes, it's discount allowed. Okay, the cash discount related to the sales is called the discount allowed. Okay, if the cash discount is related to purchase, then it's discount received. Whereas trade discount over here, you do not write it in the account. Okay, so like that. Okay, you write like that. So you see, add up together, it's correct already. It's the same. Okay, and now adding. Receive a credit note from Shadi Hatu for defective goods return. This is called the purchase return. Okay, because you bought the goods from her, and then you return it to her because it's defective, and then she will issue you the credit note, okay? And this one is the contra. This one we have two transactions here. Number one is the contra, and number two is the you have to settle, okay? It's the bank, okay? Find out how much. You find out how much, okay, to settle the amount owed, okay. That's why for this question it's a little bit difficult because you need to interpret, okay, the entries and understand it. This also goes back to the source document. So you read here, for example, receive a credit note from Shadihatu for defective goods return. Is it she returned to you or you return to her? That's why this one you must be very clear about this, okay? You receive from her because you return the goods to her. You purchase, return, you purchase, and then you return the good to her. Okay, and then she will give you a credit note, okay? That's why you have to be familiar with the source document, okay, and try to interpret this, then only you know which of the account do you write it into, okay? So that's all for the lesson today. I want you to do the rest of the questions by yourself, okay? And then we'll check your answers together, okay? Thank you.